Hello and assalamualaikum mga kaching It's my rest day today and I'm thinking to do an operation white sa shoes na ako napalit sa Paseo, Laguna. So, well mga kaching all those shoes you can see are not mine. I only have a few pairs of shoes. The most of it are kay Ching Ching. So this is the shoes I bought for only 780 pesos. And the only thing about these shoes mga Ching Ching is dili na siya yung anak ka white. Medyo yellowish na siya. But looking at YouTube, I found a DIY how you can make canvas shoes white again. So what you need are baking soda or white toothpaste, any brand will do, and a tissue. So for this operation ka Ching Ching I was not able to use baking soda. Pure toothpaste na akong gigamit. Yes. So what I did here mga kaching I did not soak the shoes into the water. Gamit ko spray bottles and just spray the outer part of the shoe. Since dili pa kayo hugaw ang sulod sa shoe, so I just spray the outer part. And then after that, put a generous amount of toothpaste, a toothbrush, and then brush the mga kaching out. So focus on the area na medyo yellowish siya. So keep on brushing until you meet the desired ka-white sa imong shoes. And then after that, mga kaching I will spray another water on it just to remove the remains of the toothpaste. And then balutin mo na siya ng tissue. So ang key daw, ang secret daw sa tissue mga kaching para dili mag-yellowish ang imong shoes once you put it under the heat of the sun. So muuna din siya ang outcome mga kaching it took me a while kasi ulan diri. So wala din siya na babad sa araw. But if you're gonna look at it mga kaching it looks like new, diba? So very white na yun siya. So there you have it mga kaching nanay sikreto paung sa papaputi sa inyong Canva na shoes. So thank you mga kaching for watching.